Dear friends, in class 7 we are studying 9th lesson rational numbers, and in exercise 9.1 we have 4th question. Draw the number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. First is 3 upon 4. So how to represent this on number line? Let us see. So for this we need to draw a number line. First this is 0. To the right hand side we write positive numbers, to the left hand side we write negative numbers. This is what you have already studied. Now see, since the denominator is 4, depending upon the denominator we divide this line and draw the points. So first point will be 1 upon 4 to the positive direction or to the right side of 0, positive direction of x-axis, or to the right side of 0 we write positive numbers and to the left side we write negative numbers. So next number will be 2 upon 4. Please note, denominator is same, we are going on increasing the numerators. So this next number will be 3 upon 4 and next number will be 4 upon 4. 4 is the denominator, it is the reason is denominator is 4, so we are dividing this. Please note, this 4 upon 4 is nothing but 1 and this 0 upon 4 is nothing but 0. So please note, we divide 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts and then write 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4. Next number will be 5 upon 4. 4 upon 4 stands for 1. Now see, and 0 upon 4 stands for 0. To the left side it will be negative 1 upon 4. Next number will be negative 2 upon 4. Next number will be negative 3 upon 4. And this side it will be negative 4 upon 4. Please note, this negative 4 upon 4 stands for negative 1. And 4 upon 4 stands for positive 1. We are asked to plot where is 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 is this number, this point. Please note, if you divide 1 in 4 equal parts, then the third part will be 3 upon 4. Next number is negative 5 upon 8. So for this, we draw a number line. Please note, I already told you, depending upon the denominator, we divide the numbers from 0 to 1 in that many equal parts as the denominator. So we write 0 first. First part will be 0 means 0 upon 8. Next will be 1 upon 8. Next will be 2 upon 8. 3 upon 8. 4 upon 8. 5 upon 8 and so on. We are asked to plot negative 5 upon 8. So it will be to the left side of the 0. So this will be negative 1 upon 8. Second will be negative 2 upon 8. Third will be negative 3 upon 8. Next will be negative 4 upon 8. Next will be negative 5 upon 8. Negative 6 upon 8. Negative 7 upon 8. Negative 8 upon 8. Please try to understand this. Negative 8 upon 8 is nothing but it is reducible. If you divide both numerator and denominator by the same number, we will get this as negative 1 upon 1 means this is negative 1. The 0. Please note, some of these numbers are reducible. So 2 upon 8 is minus 1 upon 4. 4 upon 8 is minus 1 upon 2. 6 upon 8 is minus 3 upon 4. So these some numbers can be written in standard form. So this is, if you write the number line, you will get 0 upon 8 means 0. Next will be negative 1 upon 8. Next will be negative 1 upon 4. Third number will be negative 3 upon 8. Next will be negative 1 upon 2. Next will be 5 upon 8. Next will be negative 3 upon 4. Next will be negative 7 upon 8. Next will be negative 1 to the left side of the 0. We are asked to plot negative 5 upon 8. Our 5 upon 8 is here. Please note, this negative 5 upon 8 is here. So this point is negative 5 upon 8. It is, if you divide 0 to 1 in 8 equal parts, then it is equal to fifth part to the left side of the 0. Next number we are asked to plot negative 7 upon 4. So for this, if you want to draw the number line, please note, denominator is 4. So we split 0 and 1 in 4 equal parts. So first part will be 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4 and 4 upon 4. Please note this 4 upon 4 stands for 1 and 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 stands for 1 upon 2. We are asked to plot 7 upon 4, negative 7 upon 4. So it will be to the left side of 0. So first point will be negative 1 upon 4. Next will be negative 2 upon 4, negative 3 upon 4, negative 4 upon 4, negative 5 upon 4, negative 6 upon 4, negative 7 upon 4, negative 8 upon 4. Out of this some are reducible, or you can write in standard form. This negative 2 upon 4 is nothing but negative 1 upon 2. Negative 4 upon 4 is nothing but negative 1. Negative 6 upon 4 is negative 3 upon 2. And negative 8 upon 4 is negative 2. So this is equal to, please try to understand, these numbers can be written in standard form. We are asked to plot negative 7 upon 4. So negative 7 upon 4 is this number, this point. That is, if you divide 0 and negative 2 in 8 equal parts, then we will get the 7th part to the left side of the 0. This is about negative 7 upon 4. Last number is 7 upon 8. Please note, we have to divide in 8 equal parts. The numbers from 0 to 1 must be divided into 8 equal parts. It means this is the number line, and 0 we have to write 1 upon 8, 2 upon 8, 3 upon 8, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 8, 6 upon 8, 7 upon 8, 8 upon 8. Please note, this 8 upon 8 is nothing but 1. 6 upon 8 is 3 upon 4. 4 upon 8 is 1 upon 2. 2 upon 8 is 1 upon 4. And 0 is 0. So this can be written again in standard form. Some of the numbers can be written in standard form. We are asked to plot the 7 upon 8. So 7 upon 8 is this number. That is, if you divide the numbers 0 and 1 in 8 equal parts, the 7th part to the right side is 7 upon 8. And to the left side of the 0, we are having negative 1 upon 8. Negative 2 upon 8 means negative 1 upon 4. Negative 3 upon 8. Then negative 4 upon 8 means negative half. So please note, in this way the numbers, any number, any rational number which is in the form of P upon Q can be plotted on the number line. Dear friends, we have next fifth question. The points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B. These are P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B. We are having the points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A, B on the number line are such that TR is equal to RS. We are given this distance. TR is equal to RS is equal to SU. These distances are equal. Means please note this negative 1 to negative 2 part is divided into 3 equal parts. You can understand. That is TR, SR and US or SU. And AP equal to PQ is equal to QB. This AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. That is, the part from 2 to 3 is divided into 3 equal parts. Question asked to us is, name the rational numbers represented by P, Q, R, S. So please note, A is equal to 2. It is given that A is representing 2 on the number line. B represents 3 on the number line. Please note, 2 to 3 is divided into 3 parts. So P represents, this is 2 and 1/3 part. So it is 2 plus 1, 1 upon 3. Please note, it is divided into 3 parts. So we add this fraction part. This is 1 upon 3, or you can say 2 plus 1 upon 3 and again 1 upon 3. So it will be 2 upon, if you add this you will get this is equal to 7 upon 3. So P represents 7 upon 3. Now if you see the Q point, Q is again 2 plus. because q is to the right side of 2, so we have to do the addition, and q is equal to, please note, it is second part of the total third three parts. It means this is equal to 2 upon 3. Please note, this is equal to 2 parts if it is divided into 3 equal parts. So this will be 2 upon 3. If you solve this, you will get 6 plus 2, that is equal to 8 upon 3. So q represents 8 upon 3 on the number line. Now if you go to r, please note, it is to the negative direction, that is negative 1 minus, please note, since it is to the left side of the negative number, we again subtract, and that is equal to minus 1 minus 1 upon 3. So this will be, again denominator is not there. If you do the subtraction of these two fractions, you will get, we need to make the denominator same before doing the addition or subtraction. So here we will get negative 3 minus 1, minus 3 minus 1 is negative 4 upon 3. So please note, R represents negative 4 upon 3 and S represents, it is again negative 1 and 2/3 part to the left side. So we need to subtract, since the part is to the left side, we need to subtract 2 upon 3. So if you solve this, you will get 3 2s are 6, sorry 3 1s are 3, 3 minus 2 is 5. So this represents minus 5 upon 3. Please note, P represents 7 upon 3, Q represents 8 upon 3, R represents negative 4 upon 3. So this is negative 4 upon 3 and S represents negative 5 upon 3. Please note, 2 will represent negative 6 upon 3 means negative 2, and this will represent, negative 1 will represent negative 3 upon 3 means it is negative 1.